Hello. In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question, and the question is, which musical frontman attended the London School of Economics? Well, now I'll give you the answer for this question, and after that I'll provide you with a short explanation about the answer. And the correct answer for the question is Mick Jagger, and here is a bit more information about the answer. Mick Jagger, the legendary frontman of the Rolling Stones, enrolled at London School of Economics (LSE) before embarking on his music career. Renowned for its stringent academic standard and emphasis on business and economics, LSE might appear an unusual starting point for a future rock superstar. Nevertheless, Jagger, a talented scholar, commenced his studies in accounting and finance in 1961. Juggling his academic pursuits with his love for music, he even found employment in the library while anticipating his breakthrough. Upon the Rolling Stones landing a record deal in 1963, Jagger left his studies to concentrate on his musical endeavors. So that is the correct answer for the question, Mick Jagger. That's the correct answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.